5-axis milling has been expanded to include optimized swarf machining. This new 5-axis programming method introduces a whole new set of possibilities to programming 5-axis parts. This video will highlight a few of these possibilities. On this part, I have an undercut surface that will require 5-axis milling. I have already defined a multi-surface feature in the CAMWorks feature tree that I will generate the operation plan for. In the 5-axis operation parameters on the Pattern tab, I now have an option to change the method to swarf milling. This will change the operation parameters for better control of finish cutting with the side of the tool. Here I define upper and lower guide curves. For this example, I will select the top and the bottom edges of this part. I can also define a floor surface. Here, I set the number of cuts and how the cuts step down the surface. The generated tool path shows the side of the tool maintaining constant contact with the feature surface. We can also use swarf milling strategy on the outside of the part where this surface is curved. In the operation parameters, I am using a gouge check so the tool doesn't gouge the part. We can now simulate the results.